let's hear a few words from Mr. John Adams.
Firstly, I would like to extend my personal and sincere thanks to the SAFETY4SEA organisation for this award, which I also accept on behalf of V Group. It is very humbling to be recognised in this way and very much appreciated. I'm very proud of my contribution to all of the shipping companies and maritime associations that I've been closely involved with throughout my rather long time in this industry. And I'm particularly proud of what has been achieved during my time here as Managing Director of V.Ships UK and Americas. Many of us in this industry wear different hats. As MD of V.Ships UK and Americas, with our ship management operations in the UK, including our offshore office in Aberdeen and our operations in Boston and Brazil, we deal with well over 100 ships. I also get insights to the overall operation within V Group as a whole, covering some 600 ships. Add to that the 1,500 or so ships under Bahamas flag that I see firsthand as chair of the Bahamas Ship Owners Association and as a director at the International Chamber of Shipping with some 30 plus national ship owner associations with multiple owners and fleets and ships and seafarers. The numbers extrapolate into the thousands. With all of this, I've gained a broad perspective of the issues affecting shipping today. You could say that I have some idea of the scale of the problem. I've often said that the shipping industry is one of the most dynamic, exciting and challenging sectors of international business. And today we face some of our greatest challenges. Just to take two, the ongoing and increased and complex environmental legislation and the wide range of crewing, welfare, employment and geopolitical issues. As chair of the Long-Term Measures Working Group within the International Chamber of Shipping, we built a consensus amongst all of the national ship owner associations in developing a strategy to meet the IMO greenhouse gas goals. Stemming from this work, the ICS and a broad coalition of international associations, BIMCO, CLIA, Intercargo, Interferry, Intertanko, IPTA and World Shipping Council submitted joint industry proposals to the IMO Marine Environment Protection Committee. The shipping industry needs to progress such innovative solutions, and I'm proud to be part of this forward-looking initiative. And to have achieved such a strong coalition, we need to continue to look to the future. Collaboration is key in our industry. With regards to crewing, the authors Dick Gregory and Paul Shanahan put it so eloquently when writing about human element, our seafarers. They wrote, "They are the secret of our success and the victims of our failures." That is so profound and resonates on a number of levels. I am so pleased and proud to have witnessed that the management and understanding around the human element, human factors and behaviours and leadership development now receive the focus and attention required in our industry. 2 years ago, the Bahamas Ship Owners Association held one of the first industry fora focused on the global effects of the coronavirus on our industry and especially our crews. Today, the COVID pandemic is still affecting shipping operations, and now we are facing a parallel global crisis with the war in Ukraine, which is again impacting the shipping industry and our crews, with the need to resolve this crucial part of our business. These are indeed unprecedented times. I acknowledge that crew welfare and well-being is higher on the agenda than at any time previously. Nevertheless, we need to ask the question, where are we with employment improvements and progressive crewing strategies? And how well prepared can our industry be for the next black swan? Also, in terms of being progressive, the BSA supports a culture in shipping where equality, diversity and inclusion prevails, which will be demonstrated, quite literally walking the talk, by having a top drawer, all-women panel that will head up our next upcoming industry forum. Finally, I would like to close by thanking again the SAFETY4SEA editorial committee for this award, which I value very highly.